come as close as you.
Just living it up. What is up, my Back to Life army? Today I am still in Dubai and I am headed to a place called The Creek. It's getting a little dark outside, but they say this place looks crazy when the sun's going down and the lights come on. It's gonna be super dope. We're gonna be on like a wooden boat, just kind of like floating, and that's gonna be freaking awesome. Once again, I want to say shout out to my sponsor, Peaceland Travel and Tourism. If you ever need anything and you're in Dubai, make sure you hit them up at www.peacelandtravel.com. However, I will see y'all on the way there. Alright, y'all, so I am at the van. This brother right here, that guy, is going to take me to The Creek. It's gonna be dope. It's the old city. You know, we gotta mess with the old so we can see what the new is all about. You gotta show love to the past and the future. We're gonna head over there and it's gonna be awesome. It's getting a little darker as you can see, but we're gonna make it happen, alright? We are, what is this, a bus? Van? We're in the van. We're in the swag van headed to The Creek. It's gonna be freaking dope. I'm excited. We're skirting. Got the nice road behind me. I'll see you there. We have arrived. Jumping out the van. Oh yeah. We getting out?
Hi.
What's up, brother? What's your name, brother?
My name is Zubair. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
You gonna take me on the boat?
Yeah.
Perfect. I like that guy. Check it out. Check it out. All the boats, all the lights. It looks so cool. I can't wait to get it. They said we get to see the old city. I don't know what that looks like. I've been around New Dubai. I've been in this area one time when I went to Gold Souk. If you watch that video, it's a pretty cool area, but I didn't explore it much. So I'm gonna jump on this boat and this is gonna be pretty cool. Like, this looks dope. Oh, Toto, check out the Rolex tower though. That is crazy. You need a Rolex? Let me know. I'm not gonna buy it. Oh, okay. This must be VIP or something. Oh my gosh.
Sorry, because too much.
No, it's okay.
Guys,
we got the whole thing. What's up, girl?
Hi!
Yeah.
We are here in Dara Creek Cruise.
What is this called?
Nikolai.
What is it called?
This is Dara Creek Cruise.
Okay. This is cool, man. Thank you, brother. Thank you very much, brother. Boom. We have dinner?
Yes.
We get dinner? I'm hungry? That's crazy. Ooh, we got it all. I'm about to grub, y'all. This is gonna be fun. I'm excited. Yo, they got 2 buffets up here. So if you're really hungry, you can go upstairs and downstairs. Check that out. Check that out. Oh, man. Hold on. I got to show them a view. Go ahead, sir. Go ahead, sir. That's a cool brother right there. Y'all, check this out. Look at this. That's crazy. Whoa. That is beautiful, man. That is beautiful. We're going to hit the water. We're going to go float. This is crazy. Are you videotaping me while I'm vlogging? That's crazy. Look at this. That's wild. That's wild. That's wild. And the Rolex building. How about that? That's crazy. What's your name? Ari. I like that. Boom. This is so cool. My hair is all in my face. The breeze blowing in between my knees. You get that reference? This is dope as heck, baby. This is dope as heck. Just living it up. We're gonna, oh my gosh, so many people now. That's crazy. We got dinner down here. I need to eat, I'm hungry. And then we're gonna get floating on the, was this a river or what is this?
Yeah, the creek.
This is a creek. We're gonna get floating on the creek. Thank you. What's this, orange juice?
Mango.
Mango, oh, brother, give me a pounder. Boom, thank you. Oh, I like that. I like that. It's blurry, that's perfect. Alright, yo, we got the fresh mango juice. I hope you can taste that.
Hi, how are you guys? Like you surprised me.
I'm full of surprises. DHOW Creek Cruise.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
And it looks cool. And I'm hungry, so I get to eat. We get to float on the creek. We get to see the old city. All that. I have a video.
I have a video.
Yeah, you're on it. You're gonna be on it.
On it?
Yeah.
You're not jumping off.
Dinner was so good. That was some amazing food. Everybody enjoyed it. Super loud in here. Sorry for all the noise, but it is what it is. Gangster, brother. He is a gangster. That guy just spun around for literally so long. That is crazy. I love it. He deserves a pounding. Excuse me, brother. Excuse me, brother. Excuse me, brother. Hey, brother. You did a darn good job, brother. Pound. No, there's a video. It's for YouTube. You did a good job.
No English.
That's okay. Good job. Very good.
Thank you.
Very good. There you go.
Thank you very much.
That was crazy. What's your name, brother?
Shehzad.
Shehzad, where are you from?
Yes, I am from Pakistan, Peshawar.
Okay, I'm from America, brother.
Yeah,
Gosh, I hope y'all have enjoyed this. This has been freaking amazing. Hey, homie with the spin thing though, he was killing it. I'm talking about going crazy, going stupid. Then you know when I put it on, I had to, I had to show him real quick. It's crazy. And then the little girls, what's up, brother? Yeah, but yeah, the little girls were spinning and going crazy. Mickey came out, it was a whole party. This was dope. I hope y'all enjoyed that. Like, it literally, you know, you jump on the ship or the boat, whatever you want to call it, takes you through the creek, you see the old city. Like, it looked so beautiful, and I hope y'all could capture that from the video. The people on the ship were super duper nice, literally so nice. They're literally like, do you need anything else? Do you need anything else? A big shout out to my man spinning and getting it. So,
hi, this is Akif.
Akif, where are you from, brother?
I'm originally from Pakistan. I'm based in UAE, and I'm operating the cruise. I
like that.
The creek. Yeah.
Hey, it was a wonderful time.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir.
Sure.
Pleasure to meet you.
Looking forward to see you again.
Hey, I had fun. Thank you so much.
You got it.
Have a wonderful evening.
Why not?
All right.
Sure.
See you, brother.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I think it's time to head to the crib, and I will see y'all for the heart to heart. Thank you very much. Okay, oh my gosh, the creek tour was absolutely amazing. Like, I had so much fun there. Like, the dancing, every single thing, actually going out on the water and seeing the old Dubai over there was awesome. Like, especially at night, like that, the light, the way everything was just hitting was absolutely amazing. Once again, I want to say thank you to Peaceland Travel and Tourism for getting that set up for me. Super huge shout out to them. Thank you to you for watching this video. If you haven't yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that bell, and turn on your post notifications. Be the first to watch these videos. Make sure you hit that like, and make sure you drop a comment. If you haven't yet, check out Nico Back to Life, grab you some merch, and support the movement. My Back to Life army. I will see you on my next vlog. Peace.